Welcome to another lesson video on factorization. This time we'll be looking at 4 different terms. So like in this question we have AB, AC, BD and CD. And the next question 6AB plus 2A plus 9B plus 3. And lastly, we have 6PQ plus 2P plus 3Q plus 1. Alright, in our first lesson video on factorization, we learned the easiest way to factorize is by looking out for common factors. So with 4 terms still under factorization, first of all, we look out for 2 of the common factors and we group them. So for instance, when we compare AB to AC, do you have anything in common? Yes, there is A in common. So we can group AB and AC as 1. Now when we come to BD and CD, the letter D is also common in both terms. So we can equally group BD and CD together. Now, this takes us back to our first lesson video on factorization. So since A is common in both terms, we bring A out of the bracket and maintain the remaining terms. That is B plus C. We do the same thing for this one too. We have plus. What is the common term here? D. So into brackets we will have B plus C. Can you notice something? Yes, there is one common term in the bracket, that is B plus C. So we write one of them and we group the common factors outside the bracket too as 1. So outside we have A plus D, also in another bracket. So our final answer becomes B plus C into bracket A plus D in another bracket. To make sure what we have done is correct, we can cross-check our final answer by multiplying the first term in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket. And we do the same thing to the second term. So by expansion, if B is multiplying A, we will have AB plus, now B multiplying D, we will have BD plus C multiplying A gives us AC plus C multiplying D gives us CD. So when you compare to the original question, we can see that we have the same thing there. So this makes our answer correct. Alright, let's bring the same understanding to solving our next question, where we have 6AB plus 2A plus 9B plus 3. 6AB plus 2A plus 9B plus 3. We use the same clue. We group numbers or terms of the same factor. So when we take 6AB and 2AB, can we see there's something in common? Yes, 2 is a common factor of 6. And there is A, there is A. So we can group these two in one bracket. And when we come here to 3 is a factor of 9. So this can also be grouped in another bracket. So by taking out the common factors, A can come out and 2 can also come out since it's a common factor. So now 2 divided into 6 gives us 3. And there is A here already, which is already maintained. And we have our B plus 2A outside. So what will be left here? 1. So that when we multiply 2A by 1, we will still get 2A. Now we have plus 3 and 9. 3 is the common factor of 9, so 3 can come out. So if 3 is out, 3 times what number gives us 9? Is 3. And we have our B plus 3 is here, 3 is already outside. So what factor can multiply 3 to still give you 3? And the answer is 1. So like with the first one, we can see that there are common terms here. That is 3b plus 1. So we write them out as our final answer. Then those outside 2 in another bracket, 2a plus 3. So our final answer now becomes 3b plus 1 in one bracket and 2a plus 3 also in another bracket. So you can cross-check your answer. We can cross-check by multiplying each of the terms in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket. So by expansion, 3b times 2a gives us 6ab plus 3b times 3 gives us 9b plus 1 times 2a gives us 2a plus 3 times 1 gives us 3. So when you compare this to our original question, we can see that we have the same thing. All right, I'll leave you to answer the third question or the last question on your own. That is 6pq plus 2p plus 3q plus 1. Try and do it. If you are finding any difficulty, you can replay the video to help you better understand it. Thank you very much, and still don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.